Hi friends, Manoj Kodari here. Friends, always listen to your heart. Dil ka suno. But in share market, trade what you see, not what your heart says. One day, my friend Funny visited me. He asked what I am doing. I said, I am buying ownership in some companies. He asked, how? I said, I am buying shares in share market. He asked, what is share and what is share market? Share means hissa, a percent of ownership. When you buy shares, you become a owner up to that percent holding. Share market is a place where you buy and sell shares. He asked, Manoj, I hear in news that share market have gone up due to heavy buying. Share market have gone down due to profit booking or crash due to heavy selling. What it means? Does it mean that companies are not doing good? Does it mean that all company shares have gone down or up? No friend. Companies are operating in the same way as they were doing before fall or rise. Their growth plans are same. Maruti is selling cars daily. Hindustan Unilever selling their products like Lux, Close-Up, Annapurna Atta and so on. Banks are lending to their borrowers. Companies are launching their products as usual. When you hear stock markets have gone up or down, it means Nifty or Sensex have gone up or down. What is Nifty and Sensex? Nifty and Sensex are benchmark indexes for Indian stock market. Nifty means National Stock Exchange 50. Nifty indicates stock market performance of 50 well-established, financially sound and top companies. Sensex means Stock Exchange Sensitive Index for Bombay Stock Exchange. Sensex comprises of 30 stocks. There are around 8,000 mid-cap, small-cap and large-cap stocks listed on BSE and NSE. These are 50 stocks in Nifty and 30 stocks in Sensex. How this share market works? Friends, you know supply and demand plays a key role in any markets. If we have a good crop of onion this season, supply will go up, onion prices will come down. Whereas in equity markets, if the company results are good and there is a growth outlook, demand will go up, that is buying happens, share prices will go up. So only company results will affect the rise or fall in share markets? No, there are other reasons as well for rise or fall in share markets. Is it based on fundamentals or technical charts or any other factors? I believe technical charts shows the trend, whereas fundamental and other factors decides the trend. Here are the other factors that affect the rise or fall in markets. Stable government and its policies, monetary policy, global markets, geopolitical scenarios, global news, budget, FII and DIA data, liquidity, PE ratio, crude oil price. Let us discuss them in detail. Stable government and its policies. Friends, share market is about hope. Believe me, it's true. Whenever you see there is a continuous rise in markets, check the reason. You will get to know market is expecting something to come, like some announcement, some financial package, or a stable and strong government to come, or budget expectation. In 2014, when there is a hope that Modi ji may win elections, who has got a good growth in Gujarat, Nifty moved from 6,000 to 6,800 up to May 2014. And on result and on confirmation that there is a stable and strong government for 5 years and can bring a good reforms and policies which can benefit the economy, Nifty moved further to 9,000 in 2014, a 50% return. Again in May 2019, on hope and on result, Nifty moved from 11,100 to 12,100 So Nifty have gone up from 6,000 in 2014 to 13,700 in 2020. Rise in share market is about hope. So if there is a stable government for 5 years, does that mean like share market will not fall now for 5 years? No. There are other factors which can affect. Monetary policy. Who comes up with the monetary policy? RBI governor. RBI's role is to control the supply of money in the economy by controlling interest rates for price stability and high economic growth. If RBI reduces repo rate, banks in turn can reduce their lending rates as their cost comes down, which can benefit the borrowers and they can borrow more. The weightage of banks and NBFCs in Nifty is around 45%. Monetary policy sets a momentum in Nifty and Bank Nifty as per the tone of the RBI policy. So always keep a tab on the monetary policy dates. Every 2 months you have a monetary policy. Let us take an instance. In May 2020, when RBI reduces the repo rate to 4%, which is lowest since 2009, there is a lot of liquidity in the banking system and the markets have started moving up. Global markets. Major global indices to watch are US markets, Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq. Europe markets, DAX, German index, CAC, French index, FTSE, UK index. Asian markets, Nikkei, Japan, Hang Seng, Shanghai, China index. As the sun moves from east to west, Asian markets open in the morning hours. Nikkei at 5:30, Hang Seng 6:45, Shanghai 7. European markets open in the afternoon at 12:30, US markets in the evening hours at 7. US market is a mother of all financial markets. Keep a watch on this market. Why I am saying this? In my experience, I have seen whenever there is a major change in US markets, all other markets reacts in the same direction. If you see a fall in US market, you can see the same fall or even more in Indian markets. US market is a trendsetter. Its market capital is at $34 trillion and India's $3 trillion. See this chart of S&P 500 and Nifty for the year 2020. Nifty has moved same as US market. Same is the case if you take 5 years chart of Nifty and S&P 500. If you see a major movement in US market, you see the same in Indian markets. If you are a trader, remember to watch global market in this website. I'll cover the remaining factors in my upcoming video. Remember, in share market, trade what you see, but not what your heart says. See you in my next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Happy investing.